Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use RedfinNow for instant home offers, detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started with RedfinNow, go to the RedfinNow website. Click on the Get Your Offer button on the home page. Enter your property address in the search bar provided. Select the property type you are selling, whether it's a single-family home or a townhouse. Fill in the required details about your home, including the number of bedrooms and bathrooms. Provide the square footage of your home to give a clearer picture of its size. Indicate the condition of your home. Upload any relevant photos that showcase your home's features and condition. Once you have filled in all the necessary information, submit your request for an instant offer. RedfinNow will review your submission and use its market data to generate an initial offer. Expect to receive your offer typically within 24 hours. If you like the initial offer, you can schedule a home visit for a final assessment. During the home visit, a RedfinNow representative will conduct a thorough inspection. After the inspection, you may receive an updated offer based on the condition of your property. If you accept the final offer, you will proceed to sign the agreement. RedfinNow will handle all the necessary paperwork to finalize your sale. You can choose a closing date that works best for you, usually within a few weeks. Once the sale is complete, you will receive your funds directly from RedfinNow. With these steps, you can navigate the RedfinNow platform seamlessly for instant home offers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.